In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify AliExpress account 2025 step by step. Verifying your AliExpress account is a quick way to secure your profile, prevent checkout interruptions, and make future logins smoother. I'll walk you through the process on both the app and the website and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Start by opening the AliExpress app on your phone or go to the website in your browser. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, log in first so you can access your account settings. Next, head to your account area. On the app, this is usually the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. On the website, look for your account name or avatar near the top right. From there, open Settings, then find the Security section. The wording can vary slightly by region or updates, but you're looking for Security or Account Security. Inside Security, you'll see options to verify by email or by phone number. Pick the method you prefer. Email verification is convenient if you check your inbox frequently, while phone verification is handy if you want quick SMS codes and use your mobile device most of the time. Enter the email address or phone number you want associated with your account. Make sure it's one you have immediate access to. If you're using a phone number, select the correct country code and enter the number accurately. Minor typos are the most common reason codes don't arrive. Send the verification code and keep the app or web page open. For email, check your inbox right away and take a quick look in your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it. For SMS, ensure you have a stable signal and that your device can receive text. Codes typically expire within a few minutes, so use them promptly and don't share them with anyone. Type the code exactly as received. If you paste it, make sure there aren't any extra spaces. Then select Confirm. You should see a success message indicating that your email or phone number is verified. To double check, return to the security page and look for a verified label next to the method you just completed. If a code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and request a new one. Verify your contact details and ensure your network connection is strong. After confirmation, you're all set. Your AliExpress account is now verified, which helps protect your data and streamlines your shopping experience.